Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the topic related to scanner class. What is scanner class is basically? Well, till date we have done some program with some mathematical notations and all. There we get to see that we are accepting some value from the user and we are doing some calculation. Scanner class is a kind of class where we are getting some ready-made predefined function. Using that one we can accept the input. Okay, and this is the most easiest way to get input in Java. So let us read the theory first, then I will show you the practical also. The scanner class is used to get user input and it is found in java.util package. Means whenever we are willing to accept any input, then we should use the scanner class. Okay, and the scanner class, to get the scanner class facilities, we have to import java.util package in our code. How to? Just look at this particular example. This is the line we have to write on the top of our code, that is import space java.util.scanner. Okay, and there are several functions for each and every kind of data type. We have to know the different kind of syntaxes to get the value. For example, for accepting your name, that is string type value, it will be next line. To accept integer type value, it will be next int, etc. I will show you everything in terms of example. First of all, again get back to the coding part. So here you can see that there is an example at the top. Obviously java.util.scanner, this particular scanner class has been imported. If we don't import it, then we are not able to use this the function for accepting the input using scanner class. It will show some errors. So keep it in mind, we have to import and the syntax must be in as it is. It has been shown here. In fact, sometimes we can, instead of scanner, we can write star also. Star stands for everything. Okay, so whatever you feel like that, you can do so. Now, after that, we should give some class name followed by public static void main. Whenever we are opening the public static void main method, then the first line we should write, that is, we are going to create the object of the scanner. So here, scanner, then any name you can give as object name. So here you can see I'm giving the name SC, the scanner object, new scanner system.in. Okay, so this is the single line only we have to write, nothing else. This is the, somehow we are creating the object, or rather we can say that somehow this, by this way only we are getting the permission to use all the methods that is available under scanner class. Okay, now simply if we want to enter username, so we are going to write the statement system.out.println, enter username. But where? Obviously, we need some variable. So string type variable, it has been defined. That variable name is username, and object name I have changed just right now. The name, object name I have changed. So here also I will say that. See, what is my object name here? The scanner class object name is SC. So here also I'm writing SC dot. SC means object dot next line. Next line will accept strings. If it is integer, say if I want to enter my age or enter the age, then it will be numeric value. So instead of next line, we should write next int. I will explain everything later part. So what it has been done, enter the username, the statement has been given. After that, sc dot next line, through this way, through this particular readline statement, user can give the value, and here in the variable name called username, the value has been stored. Now system.out.println username, this is the statement followed by the variable has been concatenated. If we just click on the output segment, we can get the result. Now, depending on the data type, we have to just change the second part of the this particular statement. Instead of st.text line, we can have some other syntax. Let us check. If your data type is Boolean, then instead of next line, we should write next Boolean. If it is the data type is byte, then we should write next byte. If your value variable data type is double, then we should write next double. For float, we should write next float. Now you can see that there is a double T is in capital, F is in capital. So these are the things we should keep in our mind, because here we know that Java is completely case sensitive. For any change in this particular syntax has not been accepted. To accept any string value, it will be next line. If you want to accept any long data type value, then it will be next long. And for short data type value, it will be next short. So let us take another example where we are going to accept the string as well as some numeric value also. So again, another example, import java.util scanner. So class name main, we can give anything as our class name. Here I'm going to change ABC, whatever it is. Okay. Now after that, obviously in the main, we are going to create the scanner object. So scanner is the new scanner system.in. First of all, I want to accept the enter the name, age, and salary. Here the statement has been written all together. You can write in different manner also. That is, enter your name, another line enter your age, another line enter your salary, anything. So here the statement has been given. That means the user will give first of all name. So here it is name. Next name is string type. So next line, okay. I'm just changing it for your Control C, copying it and just pasting it. Enter your name. I'm just modifying the code. For the first line, it will accept some name. For the second line, it will accept the age. Okay. And for the third line, it will accept the salary only. So how to take the value? Enter the name. And since the name will be stored inside the string data type, so string name equals to sc dot next line. So here using the next line statement, we are able to give any kind of string values. Now enter your age. Since age is whole number, then it is integer, the data type. So sc dot next int. After that salary may have some decimal values also. So salary will be of double type. So double salary equals to next double. So here our all the input thing been done. After that, we are going to simply print the output, that is system.out.println name, age, and salary. Okay. Now let us see the same thing in terms of practical. Okay, I have written the same code in BlueJ. Now here you can see that on the top, after creating the class, I have got this editor area. Here on the top, I have written import java.util.scanner. Instead of this line, also, you can replace the word scanner with star. Since scanner class is available, scanner is available under util. Okay, it's as per you. Whatever you wish, you can keep it. Okay. Now, after that, public class scanner. It is my class name already given you on the top. Also, you can see that. And public static void main. Here, the scanner class object sc has been created. So, new scanner system.in. So, we are somehow creating the object to accept input. Now, the first thing, my program is related to enter your name, age and salary and print the same. So first of all, we have to accept the name. So enter name. I have written simple statement. So obviously followed by this line, it will accept the value from the user and it will keep the result inside the variable name called name. Okay. Now age, enter the age. I have asked to enter the age. Then age is of integer type. So it will use this particular statement st.nextInt to enter the age. And then I need to enter the salary also. So we are saying salary please. And the salary is of decimal. So next double. And here you can see that inside name, the user name has been taken inside the variable called age. The user age has been taken, and inside the variable called salary, the user salary has been accepted through the key, line. After that, simply we are printing name, age, and salary. This is the statement, and right hand side, all the black things are the variables name. Now let us see. I think there is extra bracket. Let us compile, try to get it. Yeah, no syntax error, so close it. Okay. Now Blue J scanner example. Right clicking. Okay. So right clicking. Let us see how the effect is there. Maximizing. Yeah, it is asking me to enter the name. So I am saying AIPA. Okay. Now age. Okay. I'm giving some random age. It is 30. Okay. And salary. Okay. I'm giving some random salary. And see the way I have given the value. Here it is giving the. So this blue things we have given through the keyboard. And here the same thing has been printed as a output. So let us refresh it again. Let us see whether it is working for any other value also or not. So again enter a name. So I'm giving some name like ABC. Okay. What is your age? Okay. Let's make it century. Okay. So age is and salary is 789. Okay. Uh, Whatever a bigger value giving. So whatever the input I have given, it is showing as an output. Now you are able to understand how it is working. Now please let me know if you have any doubt. Please write in the comment section so that I can also get to see. Now your work, I like to give you a small work since you know that your work is that accept two number user input using the scanner class. So what is my question? Accept two numbers and find the total difference, product and average. Total difference, product and average, and print all the result in a organized manner. So this is the work. If you are able to do and upload or otherwise, please let me know also so that I can help you out. Thank you and please take care. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thank you.